friends, today in this video we are learning about the fractions, multiplications and divisions. Okay, so first now let's see the problems. So here 8 by 6 into 4 by 2. We have to multiply this. So here 8 into 4 is 32 by 6 into 2. We have to multiply this 2 and this 2. So 6 into 2 is 12. So now we can cancel it. Okay. So cancellations. So here 2 6 are 12. In the 2 table I am cancelling. 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2 and here 1 remaining. 1 2 means 12. So 2 6 are 12. So here 16 by 6. So again we can cancel in 2 table only. So 16 by 6 wait I will you can want in clear and so here I am 16 by 6 I am again cancelling it as 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. So finally output is 8 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer. We can directly cancel in the like this. Here only we can cancel. So here only we can cancel. Although we can cancel also here, no problem. So let's see one side will cancel in here. So here I am cancelling. 3 1s are 3, 3 is 9. So 2 1s, 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here only I am cancelling. So the output is 3 into 1 means 3 and 3 into 1 means 3. So here 3 by 3 you can also cancel this. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So the answer is 1 by 1 means 1 is the answer. Okay, what is that? 1 is the answer here. So we can cancel directly here only. And once I will also cancel this one here only. Wait, one you can see. Here I am rubbing. This 8 by 3 only I will keep it, this answer. And the same output will become which method also we can do, same output will become. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. And 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 4 into 2. Here we have 4 by 3 into 2 by 1 is the remaining here. So here wait one. So 2 and 1 here 3. So here 4 2s are 8 and 3 into 1 3. So same output will be came here. So and when I had doing the after multiplication we will cancel also same output will be came here. Okay. So now let's see all this difference. So even this fractions additions, fractions subtractions also, fraction multiplications, fraction divisions are very very easy. Okay. So now let's see. So 22 by 8. You have to divide it, we will change into a multiplication and reverse it as 9 here and 36 here. Means 9 by 36. Like this. How it will came? Yes, I will give it. I will give also proof. 22 by 8 divided, this whole fraction is divided in by 36 by 9. Okay. Here I am multiplying it. Means I am want to this fraction up means 22 by 8 into 9 by 36. This is the answer. Means this is the doing, the fraction is doing here division. So I am want it have up. I am writing here up this fraction 36 by 9. So that time the division will go as multiplication. So then 9 by 36. So here 22 by 8 into 9 by 36. Okay. So this is the proof. Simply we can write without this all steps. We can simply write this dividend as multiplication. We will reverse. Only this we have to reverse. This fraction only we have to reverse. Means the right fraction we have to reverse, not this left one. Left one, right and left one as is. And please keep reverse and this fraction and right. So here now we will do cancellations. So same like we can do cancellations here. although we can multiply. If we have to multiply 22 into 9 into 22 into 9 by 8 by 8 into 36. So that is very long. So that's why here only we can cancel it. So here we will cancel it. 2 ones are 2 and 1 remaining 16. So 2 8 is 16. So 18 is the remaining here. So next 2 11s are 22 and 2 18s are 36. So here 11 into 9 by 8 into 18 we had got here. So here we can also calculations. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. We can only cancel this numerator by denominator into numerator by denominator. So this is up one we called as numerator, down one we have called denominator. We cannot cancel this two, but we can cancel this two. Means we cannot cancel same one. Means numerator we cannot cancel, denominator not cancel. But these two we can cancel and these two we can cancel, or these two in the cross form or this standing line form. Okay, I mean don't cancel numerator means 22 and 9. Don't cancel. You cannot cancel it. That is the not right thing. We have to cancel only the numerator and denominator. Okay. So here 2 18s are 36, 2 11s are 22 and 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So here remaining is 11 into 1 is 11 by 8 into 2 is 16. So 11 by 16 is the answer we got here. Okay. So now let's see this next. We also do this like 3 by 2 and reverse it in multiplication. In the division place you write multiplication and 12 by 9. So I am reversing it. And now 2 ones are 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 6s are 12. And next 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. So we had got all solved here. So 1 into 6, 6 by 1 into 3, 3. So again we can cancel here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2 by 1 means 2 only. So the answer is 2, simple. Any number divided with 1 is that number only. Suppose here 2 divided 1 means answer is 2 only. So 1 twos are 2. Suppose 28 is the 28 by 1 means 1 28 is the 28. So it will cancel and again it will come as 2. So if any number down had 1, so don't represent it and don't see it and write here. Also here I am doing this 1 by 1 and I remove it and write it 1. Only in numerator we had got. Okay, leave it the denominator. But not like this. In the denominator 1 is there. We can write only numerator as the answer. Okay, here. So the fractions very simple, and in the fractions addition subtraction is some little bit confusion, but multiplications, fraction multiplications and fraction divisions are very easy. Okay. So in the next video we will discuss about the next topic, that's decimals. So decimals, additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. So until then, bye bye. Please subscribe our channel, like, share with your friends and family members. Thank you.